Ready to make your first impression unforgettable? With Calfrenzy, you'll create a beautiful, on-brand booking page in under a minute. Start by heading to the Calfrenzy dashboard. Click Create Booking Page or edit an existing one. It's all in your control. Customize your colors to match your brand. Add your brand logo, or upload a polished profile image because how you show up matters. Next, name your booking page. This title is public, so make it count. Then personalize the URL. Every detail helps you look professional and aligned with your business identity. Choose where you'll meet, online, offline, or both. It's all flexible so you stay client-friendly. Add your preferred platform like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom. Add a short intro so clients know exactly what to expect. Then preview to make sure everything's picture perfect. Hit save, and just like that, your personalized booking page is ready to impress. Share it anywhere. Calfrenzy, smart scheduling that leaves a great first impression.